all gonna die soon. And when I tell people that, usually their response is, duh. And I know that's an obvious statement, but I still feel like people don't really understand the concept of dying.
15 million deaths occurred globally.
The average life expectancy for Americans fell sharply again last year.
Death toll from the storm has now risen to at least 17.
For those of you who don't know, in April of 2021, my father passed away of Alzheimer's. And before April of 2021, I too was one of those people who really didn't understand the concept of dying. And I too was one of those people, if you were to tell me, hey, we're all gonna die soon, I would have said, duh. Yo, the death of a parent or anyone relatively close to you can change you, either for the good or for the bad. But as crazy as it sounds, my father passing away was one of the best things that ever happened in my life.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the reason I say this is because when my dad passed away, I was wasting time, not trying to find my purpose, and not doing anything fulfilling in my life. After April 6, 2021, my concept of knowing that I was gonna die went from duh to
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Holy shit.
Holy shit!
Oh shit.
About a month after my dad passed, it finally dawned on me. I finally understood the meaning of death. 2 months after that, I finally made the decision that I was gonna live. Live as if I knew I was gonna die and I just didn't give a fuck. I was gonna travel the world. I was gonna go the places they told me not to go. I was gonna jump in that water. I was gonna dive in the ocean. I was gonna swim with the sharks. I was gonna take that leap of faith. And finally, I just jumped. So my question to you is, if you died today, could you say that you truly lived?
If you choose to stay in one of those evacuation areas, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Die. You're gonna die.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this a buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the graves. Never gon' fumble it, I get the bag and I run with it. Gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse, I am not impressed. I don't need a rash, coming in with last, then you see the flash. Elohim with the melody and they can supply the breath. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread.
Once I made that decision, I decided I was gonna travel. And when I say travel, I mean travel. What is good, people? This is your boy Lord coming back to you with another one. And today, we in Amsterdam with it. I'm still in Manila, Seoul, South Korea. We are in Cartagena, Colombia.
In Cape Town, South Africa.
In Brazil. In Nairobi, Kenya. We are finally in Argentina, man. We still tapped in Peru, man. We're at Ho Chi Minh City Central Market. That hoe, she meant a lot to me. We're spending 24 hours in Egypt, baby. Welcome to Melbourne, Australia. Going to Taiwan, baby. Welcome to Tokyo, Japan. And I know what you're thinking, man. What happened to all that find your purpose stuff you were talking about earlier? But what you don't see is me working a 9 to 5 and still having to edit all my videos. What you don't see is me waking up at 5 a.m. every morning just to go work out.
It is currently 5:25 in the morning.
Let's get this work, baby. Now, by no means am I saying that I'm perfect, because I know this shit is difficult. But as long as you're running towards something instead of away from it, that's all that matters. $5? Hell no. I say all this to say, don't be afraid to take that leap of faith. Don't hesitate to shoot your shot. And most importantly, don't be afraid to chase your dreams. Everything you want is within reach. You just gotta have a plan and a little bit of discipline. If you're struggling with consistency, don't worry, I've been there. That's why I'm launching an exclusive accountability club. Life is full of moments where you're gonna find yourself standing at the edge of the unknown, wondering if you're ready to take that risk. Everything you ever dreamed of is on the other side of that leap. So with that being said, you're either gonna spend your whole life never knowing, or you're gonna jump. My dad out here working out for once. Let's see what he is. I'm about to go give him a little bit of motivation, y'all. A little bit of motivation. Little bit of motivation. What are you doing? What are you doing here? What are you doing here, son? Son, you're pedaling too slow. That is too slow for me, about 2 miles an hour, boy. You can take your patootie back home if you want to pedal that slow, boy. You think it's funny, woman? Get out of here, matter of fact. You get out of here. You get out of here. Go. Okay, sit down. Why are you not pedaling, boy? Huh? Why are you not pedaling? I don't hear pedaling. Now I hear the pedaling. It's a little slow, but it'll do. tired of this house. Be held accountable. Damn it.